One morning, Sophie was playing in her grandmother's attic when she found a small, ornate key hidden in an old jewelry box. Curious, she took the key outside and discovered that it fit perfectly into a rusty lock on an old, forgotten gate in the garden. With a twist of the key, the gate creaked open, revealing a breathtaking secret garden filled with vibrant flowers, sparkling fountains, and magical creatures. Sophie stepped inside, her eyes wide with wonder as she explored the hidden paradise. As Sophie wandered deeper into the garden, she met the garden guardians, tiny, colorful beings who cared for the plants and animals. But something was wrong. The garden's magic was fading. "We need your help, Sophie," said the leader of the guardians. "The magic of the garden is in danger, and only you can help us restore it." Sophie's first task was to solve the puzzle of the wilting flowers. With the help of the garden guardians, she discovered that the flowers needed a special type of water found only in a hidden well. Sophie used her creativity and determination to find the well and bring the water back, reviving the flowers and restoring their vibrant colors. Next, Sophie found the crystal fountain, which had stopped flowing. With the guidance of the garden guardians, she repaired the fountain by aligning the crystal stones that powered it. As the water began to flow again, the garden sparkled with renewed life and beauty. With the garden fully restored, the garden guardians thanked Sophie for her kindness and creativity. As she left the secret garden, Sophie promised to protect it and visit often, knowing that she had found a place where her imagination could always flourish.